Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to give your dog a pill. First, make sure you have plenty of irresistible treats, something your dog rarely gets but loves. These will be the special reward for this trade-in. Next, gently stroke the top of your dog's head with one hand, then immediately give a treat from another hand. Repeat several times gradually. Hold your hand still for a moment before giving the treat. This helps your dog associate head touches with something positive. Now, start using a cue phrase, for example, table time. Just before your stroke and reward, always says the cue before the action so your dog learns the link. After saying your cue, place one hand over the top of your dog's snout and the other like holding a computer mouse. Your palm will naturally cover their eyes, helping them to stay calm. Now say the cue again, then with your hand in position, massage the outside of your mouth for just a second. And don't try to open it yet, just reward immediately afterwards. You can toss another treat to a short distance to make the exercise more fun. Now repeat the massage, but this time bring a treat to their mouth. As soon as they open it, place the treat just inside. Don't wait for them to take it themselves, then release your hold. Now, once they're comfortable, start placing the treat a little further back in their mouth. This makes swallowing easier later when you give the actual pill. And finally, once trained, hide the pill inside the treat or use it plain if your dog accepts it, and follow the same steps. If your dog tries to back away, sit behind them so they gently back into you. Place the pill or treat at the back of their mouth, close their mouth for a few seconds, and massage their throat to encourage swallowing. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.